Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use Google Sheets on phone. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. You can create, view, and edit Google spreadsheet as well as a Microsoft Excel files with the Google Sheet app. Now, here are some of the things to help you use Google Sheets app. Now, what you should do first is you should download the Google Sheets on Play Store. Now, I'm already here. I already downloaded it. Now, open Google Sheet app. You can create, edit a spreadsheet. Now, let me go to my other account. As you can see, I have a lot of files with spreadsheet. You can view and create a spreadsheet. You can also edit a spreadsheet. So, let me open one. So, here, I already opened, and if I wanted to edit, I can edit. Just like the same function in Excel files. But if I wanted to create new one, just press the blue sign on the lower right corner. And you can choose a template or create a new spreadsheet. You can upload and download files with Google Sheets app. You can import and you can open and edit. You can also export. And last is you can share and work with others. Just like this one, I am being shared. But if you wanted to add a person, just add the email address of the people you want to add. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!